So in this video, I wanted to talk a little bit about word problems. When you get to the VTNE, most of your math problems are going to be word problems. So I thought I'd ease us into it by figuring out how to calculate a percentage within a word problem. So let's talk about this first problem here. If you had a kennel population that contained 45 dogs and 15 cats, what percentage of the kennel population would the cats occupy? So in order to do this kind of a problem, you actually need to know how many total pets are in this population. So I'm just going to go ahead and add 45 to 15, and that is 70. So I've got 70 total animals in this population. So now how am I going to figure out what percentage those cats are? So I'm going to go back to the word problem and I'm going to go find the information that I need. So they told me that there are 15 cats within this population. So what I need to do now is go ahead and do a little bit more math and do 70 into 15. So 70 into 15, excuse me, 1 second, is 0.214. So we'll just leave it at that. This goes on for like 15 numbers here, so we'll just stop it there. So now I need to figure out the percentage. So in the other videos we talked about how to convert this decimal to a percent. So you can do it one of two ways. You can take your 0.214 and just simply move the decimal place over to get your 21.4%. Or if you need to math it out a little harder, 0.214, multiply that times 100, and that'll give you 21.4%. And that would be how you would do that one. Let's do one more. Figured I'd pick a delicious one. Let's say you're eating some M&Ms. They have 24 red and 46 yellow. So what percentage did you eat that were red? So let's start by finding how many total M&Ms you ate that day. So 24 plus your 46, that is 70 M&Ms. That is a lot of M&Ms, lots of deliciousness right there. So now I have to go back. They wanted to know how many red ones I ate, and that happened to be 24. So I'm going to take my 70, divide that into 24, put your decimal place up there. This one would go into there 3 times, drop that down, then 4, 2. Again, this one goes on for a bit, so we'll just leave it at that. So now we've been left with our decimal. So now we need to convert that. So you could do it the easy way and take your 0.342. Maybe we shouldn't call it the easy way. We'll call it the quick way. Just move it 2 places. So that leaves you with 34.2%. Or if you want to math it out, 0.342 times 100, and that would leave you 34.2%. And that would be your final answer. So we'll go into more math problems that encompass some word problems as we progress in these videos. So this one hopefully is a little more helpful to helping you figure out how to calculate a percentage by using a word problem.